Getting older does not mean giving up independence. In fact, the right gadget can make everyday tasks easier, safer, and far less frustrating. From clever mobility aids to life-changing safety devices, these are 10 Amazon senior gadgets that can truly make life 100 times easier. Number 10. Fanwer button hook and zipper pull. Have you ever had trouble getting your fingers around buttons on a shirt? That's where a Fanwer button hook and zipper pull stepper comes into play. This can save time, reduce frustration, and enable seniors to dress up independent. The thin steel loop slips into the buttonholes and will catch them without causing rips or tears in garments. A non-slip, soft handle gives a good grip, particularly if you suffer from arthritis, carpal tunnel syndrome, or weaker hand muscles. It additionally features a zipper drawstring that makes jackets, dresses, and bags a lot more effortless to deal with. It fits in your pocket or a travel bag. It's cheap and converts one of the most aggravating tasks of the day into a fast and easy work. Number 9. KVR Upgraded Garden Kneeler. Gardening is fun, as long as you don't get an aching knee and back. The KVR Upgraded Garden Kneeler is designed for comfort for seniors working outdoors. It features a broad kneeling pad to support and cushion, which lessens the chance of straining joints during prolonged garden work. Turn it over, and you have a strong seat and can move to a different position easily and safely. The lightweight folding feature makes it easy to store or take with you, and the durable frame can hold up to 330 pounds. Twin large-sided pouches ensure gardening supplies are accessible without overreaching or stretching. It's a handy tool that makes gardening with seniors safer, easier, and more fun. Number 8. MagniPros 10 XLED Magnifying Glass. Small text can turn simple tasks into daily frustration. Reading medicine labels, bills, or books becomes a real challenge for many seniors. The MagniPros 10 XLED magnifying glass does that easily and quickly. It provides strong 10 times magnification and has a clear lens that isn't foggy or distorted, which makes small text large. The inbuilt LED lights will enhance visibility on low light situations and make the reading or detailed work in darkness much easier. Ergonomic handle to use for a long time, and self-standing base to operate hands-free when required. Light yet sturdy. It's ideal for reading newspapers, checking coins, prescriptions, or hobbies. This is the simplest tool to help seniors who are struggling with low vision or macular degeneration, finds the confidence and independence to read like normal. Number 7. EZPIK Folding Grabber Tool. Reaching down or stretching up can quickly become risky with age. One wrong move can lead to strain or a fall. The EZPIK Folding Grabber Tool is built to solve that problem safely. Its robust reach of 36 inches makes it easy to pick up items without bending on the floor, shelves, or in tight areas. Whether something is light, heavy, or oddly shaped, it is securely held in the jaw grip. The magnets are preloaded to catch small metal objects, such as keys or coins. Folds down small, easily stored or portable while traveling. The lightweight design prevents arm fatigue, and the firm grip pickups up to 5 pounds. It's perfect for any elderly person who is recovering from surgery, mobility problems, or simply interested in making everyday tasks easier and without strain. Number 6. TAILI Shower Grab Bar. One of the riskiest places for seniors is the bathroom, especially in terms of slippery floors. No more installing shower grab bars. Just attach the TAILI Shower Grab Bar for immediate safety. A firm attachment made with suction cups over non-porous, smooth surfaces like tile or glass. It is anti-slip when secured tightly, providing a stability and balance. It also comes with a textured handle, which can be used when wet with minimal risk of slipping when in shower or standing. It is waterproof, portable, and washable. They can support up to 240 pounds for added reliability in daily activities, only installed on proper surfaces for full strength. It's a handy bar that can help eliminate bathroom incidents and make life safer from the inside out for elderly people, pregnant women, or those with mobility issues. Number 5. Snailax Hand Massager. Hand pain, stiffness, and numbness can make everyday activities difficult. Snailax Hand Massager provide relief with relaxing air compression therapy, massages the whole hand softly, and increases circulation while relaxing tension in the fingers, palms, and joints. The intensity and modes of the massage are multiple and can be provided at the user's comfort level. This auto-heating element allows relaxations of stiff muscles and cold hands in the morning or on arthritic days. It's cordless, rechargeable, and can be used anywhere at home or anywhere you go. It's light, easy to carry, fits most hands, designed for daily use. Number 4. Fanwer Toilet Aids. Tools. Fanwer Toilet Aid Tool is designed to re-establish dignity and independence for personal hygiene. It's also equipped with a long handle that makes it easy and comfortable to use. The soft and flexible design ensures that tissues and slash or wipes are restricted and used safely and sanitarily. Constructed of plastic and rubber for durability and comfort, and complies with ergonomic design for holding with weak hands. This is ideal for the elderly, post-stroke patients, and a person who has undergone an operation. It limits the need for care and creates a sense of privacy in routine caring activities. Easy to use and clean, it is a viable product for personal care without fear of others judging one's confidence and independence. Number 3. Standard HandyBar. Transferring in and out of the car is difficult or even dangerous for older individuals with poor leg or back strength. The standard HandyBar gives you great support at the right time. It fits into the vehicle's door lock and instantly provides a secure handle for balance and lifting support. With a max capacity of 350 pounds, the non-slip grip adds to the user's confidence standing or sitting. It also features auto-equipped emergency devices such as window breakage and seatbelt cutter for added security. It is compact and takes little room in the car. Easy to install. No changes are required to make it usable in just about any vehicle. It offers a sense of freedom and helps prevent falls when seniors are being transferred in and out of their car after surgery or have mobility issues. Number 2. Lunderg Chair Alarm System. For seniors living alone or in care facilities, unexpected movement can create serious safety risks. The Lunderg Chair Alarm System helps prevent accidents before they happen. Based on a chair or wheelchair that has a pressure-sensitive pad attached, the alarm goes off immediately if the user is moved from his or her vertical position to a standing position. A highly responsive system that can assist in averting falls, wandering, or unsupervised movement. It is wireless, easy to set up, and intended for everyday use. It has a variable volume setting, which allows it to make a convenient sound without being a distraction. This system is particularly suitable in such places as hospitals, houses, and assisted living centers where monitoring demands are critical. It brings some comfort to caregivers. For seniors, it offers maximal mobility and stays readily available in case of emergency. Number 1. MAIDeSITE Electric Chair Lift. When it comes to getting up from a chair, these activities can be one of the most challenging movements for elderly who have a bit less strength in them. The MAIDeSITE Electric Chair Lift does solve that problem through a powered lift assistance feature. It can raise the user up to standing with a single push, minimizing strain on knees, hips, and back. It can be adjusted for use with sofas, beds, and chairs, offering great versatility for the home. The non-slip base keeps the device steady, and the emergency shut-off button makes the device safe to run. The remote is user-friendly, even for older adults with little tech savvy. The device is designed to be long-lasting and tested for use over the years, offering independence and the relief of caregiver assistance. It is one of the most robust mobility support gadgets for daily life. If you enjoyed the video, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos. See you in next one!